What is up, guys? Faceless Mondays here. Heading out to school. Pretty freaking early and I'm tired of shit. Alright, in my car now. Gonna head to school. Yeah, I'll continue this. I think I'm gonna start to get used to this, recording, vlogging. Here's my car. You know. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get out of class.
I'll be a platinum, I'll be a silver, I'll be a gold, 'cause as long as you love.
When you get lost, you will always be found. Just know you're not alone. I'm gonna make this place go. Alright, just got some Chipotle, the 2-for-1, buy one get one free burrito deal. That was like my very first time into the Chipotle too. It was mad hard to find. It was like at the end of the street, up a little stairs, but it's a pretty nice chill place. I don't know. It felt like a Subway. They asked me what kind of meats and like cheese and like salsa and all that stuff to put in. So, you know, if it tastes bad, it's probably my fault because I didn't know what to put in it. Which way to head home? Over here. Yo, so I'm back home now. It's not a lot of lighting here, especially in my room. I keep it like super dark, so like when I'm sleeping. Anyways, that's not the point. I was walking by, and outside of my house, like around the corner over there, they have the voting place, right? It's because today is election day. Election day. Today's election day, and I was walking by, and this lady was talking on the microphone, and she was in front of the camera, so I turned around and I was like, oh snap, I'm on the news, you know? So if you see an Asian dude with a Chipotle bag and red pants, you know what's up. So this is the very first time I've basically had a burrito other than, you know, high school, I think. But I never really, I mean, high school burritos. So, you know, I'm gonna try this shit and see how it is. Oh, right, here's my burritos! Dang, this thing's, let's see, I see this is what people do, like smosh. Way bigger than my freaking wrist. Anyways, damn. So if you guys are wondering, it's a steak burrito! And I got another one over there for later. Dang. I got this, like I said, this is from the buy one get one free coupon thing that I got from getting Halo 4. I also got the double EXP, so they gave me a couple cards and with Halo. Yeah, they give out free burritos if you reserve Halo 4. So yeah, right. So the most important thing was that I went and got my codes for all my armor and whatnot. Like, here they are. You can try them if you want, but by then I would already have used them already. Anyways, let's go. First bite. Pretty good. Place was really fancy. Pretty good. Now, I'm probably not going to go out of my way just to run only down to Chipotle just buy this, but if I was ever hungry, I'd add this to one of my choices for food. But yeah, it was like crazy. It was like down at the end of the street, around the corner, where two forks meet. And it was in like the building in the corner. It was round, and half of the side was Dunkin' Donuts. So you had to walk into Dunkin' Donuts and then up some little random stairs and then around the corner. All right. Yeah. So I think I tried to make a video once about my build, but I guess I never really posted it. But here it is. Here's an Antec cooler. I forget what number. It's a pretty big case. I like it because of the window I can see inside. I have a how much? Like, I think I have 500 gigs. The top one, the bottom one's like 250, I think, but I'm not using the bottom one as of yet. I'm probably getting an SSD on the bottom, hook it up there. Power supply, a fan, a quad-core i5, I think, Ivy Bridge, core processor, RAM, whatnot, GTX 560 GeForce, NVIDIA. So yeah, and on the side I have all my games. You can pause the video, and any games you want me to play, just let me know, you know. Or you want me to go out, like, and buy. One of you guys requested, like, what is it, Left 4 Dead? I might go and get that, you know. But mostly Halo. Here's my Xbox. I always accidentally turn this on because it's touch sensitive. So sometimes I have my like feet up or something and I'll actually turn it on. Here's my speakers, and it's hooked onto my, what is this? This is 24-inch LG screen TV. I have my speakers in the back. Some random crap. Look how messy it is already. Wallet, hat, you know. And here's my Mac. So yeah, that's basically my setup. I mean. So, I think that's going to be it for Vlog 2. I'm going to start doing some Halo videos. So, stay tuned. Bright. Whatever. I'm going to start doing some Minecraft. If you guys, most of you guys have subscribed to me for my Minecraft videos anyway. So, I'm going to start a new Tech It series in December. Here's my guitar. Yeah. But mostly I'm going to be doing Halo. And maybe League of Legends, because I've been playing that for a while. So, later guys.